You know the common saying that you miss all the shots you don't take? Well, I've been thinking about how, yes, that is true. And if we should be also asking, should we be taking these shots? If you've been taking the same shots over and over again, it may be worth asking if those are the shots you should be taking. Is this where you should stand to shoot the shot? Is this how you should be throwing the ball? And on a more meta level, is throwing the ball even what you want anymore? Now, these questions are a challenge because our culture celebrates persistence and tenacity. That feels a lot like giving up, and we think giving up is failure. We can also get complacent in all this trying, and it can feel scary to deviate from that routine. At the same time, we can remember that there are many paths toward the same goal. Sometimes we don't need to just try and try again, but we need to try differently. Maybe we adjust our reasoning. Maybe we identify alternative hoops. Maybe we change how we think about the problem and create a brand new strategy. This can get us unstuck out of a routine and thinking creatively. If you're taking all the shots and things are still not working out, consider evaluating how you'd want to try differently. My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.